How to fix your TikTok not loading in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. You want to try switching between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data, or even restart your router. If that is not the case, you can also check TikTok server status. You want to simply go to downdetector.com and search for TikTok to check if there are any server related issues. If not, you can simply go ahead and try force closing the application and reopening it, or you could also go to your profile and then settings and privacy and clear cache. If that is not the case and your TikTok has a pending update, simply update it on time from your App Store or Play Store, or you could also try restarting your device itself. Always make sure that your date and time setting on your device setting is set to automatically, and always make sure that you have disabled VPN or proxy. If nothing works, try uninstalling and reinstalling TikTok. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.